Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a DNS error that says the DNS server is not responding and that this ties to some sort of device or resource is not working properly on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys on how to go about resolving it, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. So we're about to reset our network settings. So before you do anything, I would suggest you take note of your Wi-Fi password. So go ahead and locate that, and then also save and close out of any open programs or applications you have on your computer, because once we click this reset now button, our computer will restart. Any programs or applications will need to be closed out within 5 minutes because the computer is going to restart, and you will need your Wi-Fi password because once you restart Windows, you're going to need to type that back in because we're resetting our Wi-Fi settings. So we're going to go ahead and select the reset now button once we have confirmed both of those are true, and then it's going to ask, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select yes. It's going to say you're about to be signed out. I'm going to go ahead and just restart the computer. And okay guys, once you've signed back in, it'll ask if you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs and devices on this network. You can choose whatever option you were using before, and that's pretty much it guys. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.